Good morning, friends. Thank you very much for some of you who are encouraging me to take the videos in between. I was literally busy. I could not take many videos. Today, no discussion is complete without the conversation on pandemic. Do you agree with me? It just crosses my mind that what is the most important thing to do today? As a business strategist, I always keep on telling that from the day to night, week and months and years, we are always exposed to various choices. And the way we respond to these choices produces the outcome or determines that what sort of results we are going to achieve in the future. Do you agree with me? So one of these choices today, in today's pandemic, what comes to my mind is that don't freak out. Whether pandemic could be, the second wave could be avoided or not, I'm not going into that discussion. But as it has happened already, it is in front of our door. Today, what sort of choice we will make, what strategy we will adopt, not only as a business or in your career, but in general life. So one of these strategy, what I would emphasize today is that don't freak out. What do I mean by this? You will agree that when the situation is complex, we need to act with the very subtle actions and choices and decisions all the time. And that happens when our mind is completely free of worry and anxiety. In my personal life, in a 30 years corporate journey, I didn't admit that I'm going through this situation till I met my mentors in Billy Quick and Coactive Coach Institute Fraternity and the instructors who helped me to find out. And I'm really thankful to them. So, more or less, today we are all going through this situation that we are worried, we are anxious. But this is just a cloud in the blue sky. Try to address it. How you can address it in current situation when you see the income loss is real, the losses of the closed families or the friends are real, job losses are real. How can we be free of worry and anxiety? That's the question comes to our mind. I will share my perspective. How did I address how to create a new mindset? One is that understanding that if you look into your own life, you will see that there has been many struggles, maybe of the similar dimension of today or some other dimension or worse. But did they last? As the proverb goes that bad days don't last, so are the good days. So if you think from that perspective, you will feel much better from your anxiety or the worry. And the second thing, I would say that think about a future date. Just imagine that the second wave, third wave, or everything is over, and how the world is becoming. If you have that thought in your mind, that will help you to ease from this worry and anxiety. We can create much more happiness, much better result. Even during this pandemic, we can address these issues in spite of all these troubles. Once we create this worry, trouble and anxiety-free mind. Have a good day. Shyama Prasad Goswami signing out.